Today we're going to do a short video showing you how to change the brass jets on a ProForge. ProForge is made proudly here in the US of A. First thing you want to do is loosen the hex head bolts that are under the gray tube. And once you do that, it'll simply spin around. Now we're using a 3/8 nut driver. We're pulling those jets right out the back. You'll notice there's a gold collar right by his thumb right now. Never loosen that. That is set at the factory so that the jets will align perfectly, centered in the red burner tube, left and right and up and down. So leave the gold collar alone, just pull those brass jets out. I'm gonna take the new jet, put it right back in the same hole. Gonna do that on both burners. These jets are relatively inexpensive, and we recommend replacing those rather than cleaning them. You know, if your forge gets a flutter, sometimes it just gets trash in the line. The size of that jet is very important for your flame to be right, the air propane mixture. And when you clean those, it's brass, so it's easy to make that hole bigger than it needs to be. Now you just spun that back around. You notice that gold collar's pushed up tight to the red tube. That means that your jets are going to be perfectly aligned back in that burner. Now we're going to use the hex key, tighten those two bolts up from the bottom, and you're ready to go back to work. For more information, visit cliffcarroll.com or a dealer near you.